it's the first week of June, which means Tour de Fleece is coming up. Woo! Which also means I've probably run out of time for prepping a fleece to spin during Tour de Fleece. Earlier in the year, I was thinking, oh, I should finally prep my fine wool. I have a couple of fine wool partial fleeces that I haven't spun yet. I think I spun a sample of one. Yeah, I have like a multicolored, like white and brown, what I think is merino, that I've spun a sample from. And I've been meaning to getting around to actually spinning the rest of it. So I had been thinking earlier in the year that that would be my Tour de Fleece goal. But now it's the beginning of June and I haven't done any fiber prep. And given the amount of things that I'm trying to juggle between now and the 4th of July, I just don't see prepping a whole fleece. That's just not going to happen. So we're going to go through my bins. We'll see what I have, and we might make a plan for something. What am I thinking? I'm thinking go through the bins, because I do have different quantities of already prepared fiber. Go through the bins, see what we have, make a plan to spin up things in stash that don't need very much prep. Yes, plan. Doo-doo. Okay, let's gather all my spinnable floofs from the bins. Okay, well, this is unprocessed fleece, so I'm just gonna toss that on the floor. Yarn. What else have we got? Okay, this has got... Oh, okay, there's some things that are prepared and some things that are not. Okay. What else have we got in this bin? Anything? That's just another bag of washed but not prepared. So we'll put that back in there. Okay, rustle. Oh, it's so noisy. Okay, that's that bin. Oh. Okay, now this. That is that. There's that. Okay, now maybe we can take the rest of these down without causing problems. Okay. Well, that's... Oh. And that. Okay, let's change the camera angle and start going through these bags to see what we find. Okie dokie. Let's see, I think this... It's gonna be so noisy with all these rustly bags, sorry. Murphy came over to investigate, like, oh, rustly bag, does that mean something yummy for me to eat? Sorry, Murph, just wool. Okay, these, okay, yeah. This is just unprocessed alpaca. Frankly, this is not even very nice alpaca for spinning. And I happen to have a friend, this was just given to me for free. I have a friend who has alpacas farm. I'm gonna put this in the to become mulch in the garden. Life is too short to spin not nice alpaca. Okay, let's check this. Rustle. Ah! Let's check this one. These ones were also given to me. These were also given to me for free. And don't look all that nice either. Well, let's see. It's Sniff, sniff. Does that smell interesting? Yeah. This is not that great. We're just gonna get rid of it. Don't need to hold on to stash that's not gonna be fun to spin. This, now this is the gray alpaca that I bought and was nice. And that is in one of my cardigans. Okay, so this we'll keep. Okay, rustle, rustle, rustle. Let's see what's in here. Okay, this is some East Frisian that is already carded up. So that's good. This is some wool. Just some I don't know. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we've got Tulsa linen silk. Blue Leicester. What? I realize I also need to get my gift together for my Tour de Fleece gift exchange. So I will also set aside some things for that. So this is some top from one of my friends' businesses. Maybe we'll send that. Let's see. This is Santa Cruz that I haven't prepped, but that's a rare sheep breed, so that might be kind of fun to send to someone. Prep it first, of course. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, this is Cashmere Rommeldale CBM from Oregon that I bought. That might be fun to share some, because I haven't spun it yet. Ooh, pure cashmere. Oh, this is, okay, I'm holding on to this. Oh, let's see. Oh, I've got these sari silk rovings, recycled sari silk roving things that I got because they would be fun to mix into a mixed bat. That might be fun to make a fun bat to give to. Okay. Rambly. Not very intelligible. Okay, I think this. This is a gift I got. Part of the gift. Okay. See, this is some stuff that I got in the gift exchange last year from friend in Holland, the Netherlands, from friend in the Netherlands. So I should make a plan to spin the stuff I've gotten that I haven't spun yet. Okay. So this is blue Tessel. Definitely, yes. I'm just spin this. And friend's Haida Shop that I haven't gotten to spin yet either. Oh, and then this is an unprocessed gray sheep that I don't know what it was. Okay, but we'll put that aside because probably don't have time for processing things. Okay, we'll try and consolidate unprocessed things. Okay, let's see what's in here. Here's some mohair bats. These are kid mohair that a friend gave me that I haven't spun. There's 3 of them. Oh, here's some dyed stuff that a friend gave me. This is, I think, some alpaca, but this is nicer alpaca. So we'll keep that. Here is a bit of what might be blue mohair. And oh, this is Surrey alpaca. I don't know if it's really processed at all. I have not spun this yet. Yeah, let's see, that's not processed. Let's put that in there. Okay, these are some other alpacas that are nicer than the other ones. Don't have the little hairy bits left. Okay. And some more unprocessed alpaca that's starting to get a little felted. But someone had given me. Really, this is telling me I need to get on it and card up. I need to make some alpaca blends. Okay, maybe we'll try keeping the alpaca together. So sorry for the rustly. Okay. Okay, random that, or random wool. More random wool. This is leftover bats from some yarn that I made and did finish spinning, and I think I even have, oh yeah. Also, I should probably maybe finish spinning this stuff up because I've got a bobbin. Yeah. So definitely should put this on the list of things to, okay. Why don't we try collecting the things that I want to spin during Tour de Fleece into one bag as well. Okay, that's, other random yarn. No, that's random. Okay, that goes with that. Oh, here's a bit of leftover single that goes with that project. More random wool that's processed, and ooh, this is coarse stuff. Okay. Okay. Oh, here we go. Here's a bat that I also got last year as a gift. It's called Yenta. Definitely need to get this spun up. I'm so excited to get that. Here's some fun colored locks that I got to make my kids fun sheep headbands that I haven't got around to doing that yet. This could also be fun for making. Clearly we have a lot here, so maybe we'll try making a fun art bat. This is some Icelandic wool that a friend gave me. Haven't spun that before, but it needs to be processed. That's more of that. Okay, and here is leftovers from the wool that I dyed last February that I spun some of it for Tour de Fleece last year. I've still got a bunch of that. Oh, here's another braid from my friend in the Netherlands from last year. Definitely want to get to spinning that. And oh, here's some long wool. Okay. I'll just, I'll put all this back in here. Okay. Noisy. Okay. Oh, this is the fine wool stuff that I haven't got around to processing. So there's some very short brown wool. And this is what was labeled merino. Let's see, can we show? Oh, yeah, so it's got white sections and kind of oatmeal beigey sections and some darker brown. Yeah, so I spun the sample of this where I just mixed them together. It was really nice, but also, let's see, I think I did that on my drum quarter. That got pretty nappy, surprise, surprise. So I'll have to do some more sampling. Probably end up having to hand card this. I don't know if it's long enough for my combs that I have now. Yeah, so I really want to spin this. But I'm gonna have, that's not happening this summer. Okay, and then what else? What else is in here? Is that more? I think this is more of the same. Oh yeah, more of the same stuff. Okay, so I'll have to wait for another time. Okay, so here is some red merino top. Here is yellow stuff I dyed. I must have flick carded this because it is not an actual bat, but it's definitely not completely unprocessed. Some white stuff that I had also, yeah, this has also already been flick carded, I think. Semi-processed. And some other, oh yeah, some dark brown stuff that might be a fine wool. It's not super, I don't know, it's very crimpy, pretty short. I think that is more of this stuff. I don't know. Okay, well, man. Okay, this can go in here, and I don't know where I want to put this stuff. Semi-processed. Open sesame. Okay, this is more stuff that's been flick carded. This is the rest of my Angora. This is Pygora and Lanzimol. This is some more merino top. And this is a batch from my friend Janet. Oh, and this is a baby doll bat I got from my Spinning Guild Christmas gift exchange. It's baby doll South down. Thinking I want to try spinning for socks. I haven't spun for socks before, so that was my plan for this, which obviously I haven't gotten to yet. Oh, let's see. I think I'll also put this top into the, hopefully I get to spinning it this, yeah. Okay, oh, down to 2 bags. Okay. This is red stuff that I dyed. I don't really love the color on. Okay, some of it is been flick carded and some of it has not. And some mystery gray bats. But I don't know where I got them from or what they are. Oh, here's some also stuff that I haven't gone around to spinning yet from a previous Tour de Fleece gift exchange. Some Romney and Cordale. These will have to be prepped, but that's a pretty small amount, so let's toss that over there. Okay, some more bats. And what is this? Oh, this might have come from the same place. Shetland and alpaca. Oh, yeah. Okay, I think these were left over from like a sheep to shawl something. I don't know. So this stuff in here has not been processed, and this has. That's probably what that was. Okay. Okay, and then in here, here is my rest of my silk lap. Oh, and then here are the little things I combed at my workshop that I took last fall. Let's see, what else? Oh, and then we've got some lovely gray mohair locks. I don't know, some mystery gray roving. And oh yeah, stuff that I took with me to that workshop. Okay, that's that stuff. That. Okay, and the rest of this is needle felting stuff. And a few needle felting. Yeah, some tiny little needle felting bits and bobs. And this kitty I need to finish for my daughter. You'll see it just needs a face. Okay. So, well, okay. I think that's probably a fairly decent bag of stuff to start with for Tour de Fleece. And then I've got plenty of other already prepped stuff. So if I get through all of this, I can pick from there. Okay. That's a good plan. That's a good plan. So I guess you also got a tour of my fiber stash. I think technically there are a couple more full fleeces in the garage in a bit. But I'm not going to go look through those because I know those are completely, well, they're washed. That's, yeah, but they're not processed. So we don't need to go there. Nope, nope, nope. a pile of fun rolags. Oh, Mark, are you going to jump through? Okay, so let's see. Yeah, are you inspecting them? Okay. Or are you just mad? Yeah, just come up here. Okay, why don't you stay up there? Okay, so let's weigh and see how much we've got here. I don't know. I didn't weigh the fiber beforehand. How much do you weigh? Okay, it's like about 80 grams. Or not quite 3 ounces. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to use this box or a different box. Let's see. Didn't tell you about these rolags while I was making them. So this first batch is kind of the main base is some of my lichen dyed wool, and then added in some of the colorful mohair and some angora and a tiny little bit of gold sparkles. And then these were mostly, I used a wool and pygora mix as the base, some of the same like green other mohair and pygora and the same sparklies. They look so cute. They're really fun to make. Well, I'm gonna have to figure out a better way of like stabilizing my drum carter so they're easier to take off. I have this needle felting kit for little sheep that I'm thinking about sending to my person. Oh, this one ended up chunky. So pretty. Okay, and this is, I used some dark gray wool that I had and then added some of that kind of raspberry colored mohair and some of the angora and then some of the carded up sari silk and some of the gold sparkle. Just a touch. Just a touch for fun. I'm gonna have to make me some. These look like they'd be so fun to spin. Pay no attention to my horribly mismatched outfit. I'm just having a low energy day and grabbed what was cozy. What was close and easy and cozy feeling. Yeah. Trying to get myself hyped up because I have been excited to open my Tour de Fleece gift package. And it's been sitting for a week because life was feeling crazy and I'm like, I want to enjoy the opening of the thing. And now I'm like tired. But I really am excited to see what's in here. Da, 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 da. Okay, here we go. Here we go, Murph. What do you think? What's gonna be in the package? What's gonna be in the package? Do, 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 do. It's a sheep picture. Ooh! I wonder, is this the sheep? Oh, the sheep pictured. This sheep is number 800, a Border Leicester yearling. She doesn't have a name. So the farmer sent the portrait. The farmer says she was one of the very best sheep this year. Oh, and the person sending me, their mom picked the sheep out. Okay, they also included some fibers they picked up at their local fiber show. And some Suffolk dyed by them as one of the very first fleeces they ever processed. Yay! Ooh, and some goodies. Ooh, old-fashioned hard candies. These make me think of when I was a kid, we'd always get these. Root beer and lemon drops. I love lemon, yay! Oh, shh, Murphy, shh, we're opening our gift. Okay, I'm guessing this must be the Border Leicester. I'm guessing this is the Border Leicester because it was on top. Oh, and some mint tea. Ooh. A blend of orange picote. I don't know what picote is. And mint. Ooh, I love mint. And that sounds delicious. Ooh, and tea biscuits to go with the tea. Yay! And, ooh, okay, this must be the dyed wool they were talking about. Ooh, some pretty reds. What do you think, Murph? It's like it's not a toy or a tasty thing for me. Oh, come on. We had a nice play date. Oh, and what else? Oh, so many things. What's gonna be in here? What do you think? It's like, now you're really hoping there's a treat for you. Looks like some commercial top. Ooh, I wonder if this is Rambouillet. It feels very soft. So many goodies. Ooh, and some Jacob top. Yay, Jacob. Yeah, this is so cool because it's got all the different colors. Ooh, like, yay. I love Jacob. Oh, just wait, Murph. Super soft. Clune Forest. Oh, East Frisian and Clune Forest. Ooh, fun. I have not spun those. Ooh, what's this? Oh, Old Bay seasoning. Okay, nice. And, oh, some fun braids. They're Corriedale. Ah! This is so exciting. Thank you. Yay. And Murph is still disappointed. I'm sorry, Murph. It was a fiber exchange, not a dog toy and treat exchange. I'm sorry. We need to make some internet dog friends to have a gift exchange with. So here we are. It's July 4th, the first day of Tour de Fleece. And it's been a crazy 3 weeks since I recorded last because we decided we're selling our house. So we're in the middle of packing things up, and I don't know what I did with my microphone, so I don't even know if you can hear me. And yeah, so conclusion. Okay, let's see. I think I broke things up into 2 videos. So the end of this. Oh, we mostly got our package ready to send to the person for the gift exchange. But I have one more thing I'm gonna work on. That I did work on. So that'll be the next video, is this other thing I made to send to my person. And last fun thing for me, I ordered a new support spindle from Snyder Spindles, and so I'll go ahead and unbox this. This is probably going to be making its debut today. We have a lot going on for the 4th of July with family. So I don't think I'm gonna have time to bust out my wheel, but spindle time is good. And I think it was said it was a Russian support spindle, Russian style support spindle. Bubble wrap so noisy. Bubble wrap, open, bubble wrap, open. Ah! Ta-da! And I have a nice bowl downstairs. So this should be fun. Maybe I can finally get better at support spinning. Oh, hello, Gertie. Don't worry, she hasn't been lost in the packing.
Yeah, it seems like she's more important than your microphones.
So yeah, this is life now, packing up. And hopefully I'll have some time to spin. But hey, I have my fibers. My fibers are not packed away, so there we go. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.